Hello guys, we are in a new video about how to use hacks in League of Legends to counter everyone, to counter every fucking enemy. So first of all, we must try position ourselves last to choose after everyone to activate this hack. In a moment I will show you what it's about. In my case, I am the last one to pick. So first of all, ban a player. I will ban Darius, and then wait. When it is your turn to pick, you will check where the laner you will be playing against is located. In my case, it's Aatrox. So you will go to Google and search Aatrox counter League of Legends. You will click the first page. Okay, I can close this. Okay, in this case you can pick Vayne, Warwick, Queen, Kled, and you have here the win rates against Aatrox, and here you have the worst picks against Aatrox. So you must pick some of those champs to win the game. So here you have the win rate that you have if you pick Vayne, Warwick, Queen against Aatrox. So please leave me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.